Hey guys, welcome back to vlogs. We're walking, having a good time. It's a beautiful day. Look at these clouds. So nice, but yeah, in for a nice walk. And I have a cold. It's miserable, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's keep going. Unless, Riley, do you have anything to say? Nope. Okay, yeah, it's later. Now we're going to eat. Yes. Well, guys, we just got ice cream. Look at this nice square. Yeah, it's just how the light reflects off it. I don't know why. It's weird. Hey, yeah, now we're heading home.
Yes.
And my throat hurts because snot's dripping from my nose into my throat.
Oh.
And it's miserable.
I thought it was because of the Spirit Week assembly.
Oh, yeah, that was yesterday. Now I'm better from that. I also have a cold. It's miserable. Alright, let's not get run over.
We're not going
That'd be a terrible vlog.
Us get run over by a car.
Alright. Meet you guys at home. Bye. Hello guys, it is Sunday. And it is a miserable day out. Once again, one day of the weekend's beautiful, and the other sucks. We just, it's now 3 o'clock, and it just rained, all day. It's been raining all day. We got, 2 inches of rain, so yeah, that's terrible. Finally, it's kind of clearing up. So yeah, that's good. And yeah, I haven't done anything all day, except to catch up on some of your guys' videos. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep walking Riley, even though it's very wet out. Guys, check this out. We have practically an island right there. That puddle. Pretty crazy. Anyway, we're continuing. Well, guys, that's really it for today. It was just a rainy weekend, very much rain. But next weekend, I think, if I remember correctly, there actually is going to be something fun to do. I don't know. And also, Halloween is this week, so happy Halloween to all of you guys. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give this a like, consider subscribing if you have not. And I'll see you guys next time.
It's over.